Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Money Decoder. Today we need to talk about a big change in the crypto world. The United States has just approved the first fully regulated spot crypto market on official exchanges. Many people say this could change the game for crypto all over the world. In this video, I'll explain what actually happened, what regulated spot market really means in simple words, and what this could mean for normal people like you and me. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Until now, most crypto trading happened on crypto exchanges that are not part of the traditional stock market system. Some are well known and trusted. Others are offshore or have less strict rules. Now, a U.S. regulator called the CFTC has allowed spot crypto products to start trading on fully regulated U.S. exchanges. Spot means you are buying and selling the real asset, not just futures or contracts. So, for the first time, people will be able to buy and sell crypto like Bitcoin directly on exchanges that follow strict U.S. rules, similar to other financial markets. Let's break the phrase down. Spot market means you buy the asset now, at the current price, and you actually own it in that system. Regulated means the exchange has to follow many rules about transparency, risk control, reporting, and protection for customers. In simple words, before, a lot of crypto trading felt like the Wild West. Now, part of it is moving into a normal city with rules, cameras, police, and laws. This does not make crypto safe or risk-free. Prices can still move up and down a lot, but the place where you trade can be more controlled and supervised. On many classic crypto exchanges, you open an account with your email, send money or coins, and start trading. Some of them are well run, but there have also been hacks, bankruptcies, and problems in the past. On a regulated U.S. exchange, the rules about how customer assets are held, how trades are recorded, and how the company is supervised are much stricter. Regulators can inspect the exchange, demand reports, and punish bad behavior. Again, this does not remove price risk. It is more about platform risk. The risk that the place where you trade suddenly disappears or behaves badly. Here are a few reasons people are excited. 1. More trust for big money. Large investors like funds or banks often need strong regulation before they are allowed to trade something. A regulated spot market makes it easier for this big money to enter. Clearer rules in the U.S. Crypto regulation in the U.S. has been confusing for many years. This step shows a clear direction. Spot crypto can exist inside the official market structure under clear rules. 3. Signal to the rest of the world. When the U.S. moves, many other countries watch and sometimes follow. A regulated spot market in the U.S. can push other regions to update their own rules. Does this mean prices will go straight up? No one can promise that. It simply means that crypto is becoming more normal in the eyes of regulators and traditional finance. If you're a beginner, here is the simple version. In the future, you may have two main ways to buy crypto. 1. On classic crypto exchanges and apps, like many people do today. 2. On regulated exchanges that are linked to the traditional finance system. The first way can give you more freedom and more coins, but often with more platform risk. The second way can give you more regulation and legal protection, but maybe fewer assets and stricter rules. No matter which path you choose, crypto itself is still volatile and risky. This news changes the environment, not the nature of Bitcoin or other coins. For my own investing, I keep things separate and simple. 1. For stocks and ETFs, I personally use Freedom24 as my main broker. I like that it gives access to a lot of markets through one account, and it works like a traditional investment platform. For crypto, I use platforms like Bybit to get direct exposure to coins. That means I accept the extra risk and take more care with security and risk management. Right now, Freedom24 has a promotion where new users can receive gift shares depending on how much they deposit. Bybit also often runs welcome offers where new users can earn small crypto bonuses after meeting the conditions of the campaign. You can find my links for Freedom24 and Bybit in the description of this video. Very important, this is not financial advice, and this is not a recommendation to use any specific company. Always read the official terms of any bonus, check fees and risks, and do your own research before you sign up or deposit money. The first fully regulated spot crypto market in the U.S. is a big symbolic step. It shows that crypto is slowly moving from the Wild West into the main financial system. For beginners, the message is simple. Regulation of exchanges may get better, but the risk of crypto prices will always exist, and you still need to understand what you are buying. This video is for education only. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. If this helped you understand the news, please like the video, subscribe to Simple Money Decoder, and tell me in the comments what you think. Is this good for crypto, or are you still unsure?